Yoga works not just on your body but also on your mind. It makes you more flexible and improves the immunity level, thereby alleviating stress and calming the mind. Here are few simple asanas that can help you achieve better focus. We are holding each asana for 1 minute. Start by standing tall and with your arms straight by your side. Bend your right knee and place the foot firmly near the root of the other thigh. Take a deep breath as you raise your arms overhead in a Namaskar Mudra. A little tip for not losing balance is to fix your gaze on an immovable object without breaking your concentration. Release and switch over to the left leg. Place the foot firmly near the root of the other thigh. If you can't, just place it near your shin. Keep taking in long and deep breaths. If you're suffering from high blood pressure, instead of raising your hands overhead, just keep them at your chest for the Namaskar Mudra. Gently release. With your feet slightly apart, inhale deeply and gently rise your arms above as your palms face each other. Keep your body weight on your toes. You'd feel like someone is pulling you from up above. Continue with gentle long breaths in and out of your nose. Even though this might look way too simple, it's an excellent way for improving posture and concentration. With each exhalation, keep relaxing your body further. Exhale and return to the neutral position. As you firmly root down through the right leg, bend the left knee and reach back with the left hand to clasp the ankle. Kick your left foot strongly into your left hand to lift the leg higher to deepen the stretch. Lift your right arm straight up to the ceiling, either with your palms straight or in a Gyan Mudra. Lower your left leg back in line with the right. Now let's repeat on the other side. Again, fixing your gaze on something immovable so that you don't lose the balance. Just be with the body and breath. Exhale and get back to the neutral position. With your right foot forward and your left foot back, bend your front knee to a 90-degree angle in the Warrior 2 position. Inhale and rise your right hand to the ceiling. Lengthen your torso with a gentle back bend. If it's comfortable, turn your gaze up to your right fingertips. Release back to Warrior 2 and repeat on the other side. In spite of having both legs on the ground, this pose needs a little balance. So try and keep your concentration intact. Release and let's get down to the mat for the remaining exercises. As you inhale, arch your back and slide your palms over your feet. Make sure your thighs are perpendicular to the floor and not slanting back. Do not flex your neck beyond your comfort level. Just keep it in a neutral position. Keep taking in long and deep breaths. Use your inhalation to come back to neutral position. Starting on all fours, tuck your toes under, exhale and press your hips back and up. Press down firmly on your fingertips. Let your head hang and move your shoulders away from your ears. Keep your spine long and high. Try to push your heels firmly down towards the floor. As you exhale, bend your knees to release back onto the all fours. Sit in a relaxed cross-legged position. Place your right knee on the left thigh while the sole of the feet is pointing upwards and the heel is closer to the abdomen. Repeat the same with the other leg. Place your hands on the knees in Gyan Mudra, that is, your index finger and thumb lightly touching each other. This is excellent for improving concentration and deepening your meditation. Continue with gentle long breaths in and out of your nose. Slowly open your eyes and relax. Like, share and subscribe if this has helped you in any way. I'll see you in another one next week.